guys, it's your boy King Joffy Joe 413, back with another one. Guys, this is my first ride. How you guys doing? Chilling, you already know me, chilling like always. My first ride with my Baja Ron Sway Bar. I see I got the Insta 360 out front, so we're gonna try to put some 360 video footage in this video. And if y'all don't see the 360 footage in this video, that means it's because I didn't use it for some reason. But we will see. I hear my Brandon King rolling, growling, sounding like a monster it is. That Brandon King exhaust sounding like a little monster. Oh yeah. So I'm off to work. I got a little extra time though. My girl went to work early. I mean, got out of work early so I can go for a ride. Can't wait to get on this highway so I can test out this control arm, this sway bar, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice day out here. It's like 69 out here, giggity. Got an itch on my nose. I'm taking the Insta off. I really don't feel like having it on there right now. So that'll be a little test of the 360. But other than that, I'm gonna call it a wrap. I'm gonna call it a wrap for that. hurt that little girl. Low brake fluid. Gotta add brake fluid. You guys know how to add brake fluid? Not good, but if y'all want me to show you how to add brake fluid, I'll make a quick video for that. On the highway for the first time, guys. Let's see. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna swing by Pryor real quick, because that's where all the riders usually go, and see if I see any of my people, even though they said they're not riding over there no more. They're not gonna be there no more. And I do see some people over there, but I don't think there's none of my peoples. My people said they ain't going there no more. That's for sure. That's for sure. I don't know who that is. I'm not even gonna go all the way over there.
Hustle.